In this video, we review Interactive Brokers versus Thinkorswim. Have you used Interactive Brokers versus Thinkorswim before? What was your experience? Leave your Interactive Brokers versus Thinkorswim review in the comments section below. Did you know that Interactive Brokers processes an average of 3 million trades per day, making it one of the largest electronic trading platforms in the US? Additionally, Thinkorswim, offered by TD Ameritrade, is renowned for its advanced trading tools tailored for active traders. Both platforms have garnered significant attention in the trading community, each with distinct advantages and drawbacks. Interactive Brokers, IBKR, is celebrated for its extensive market access, allowing traders to engage with a diverse array of asset classes, including stocks, options, futures, forex, bonds, and ETFs. This broad spectrum enables investors to diversify portfolios seamlessly. Moreover, IBKR's fee structure is competitive, appealing to cost-conscious traders. However, some users have noted that the platform's complexity can be daunting for beginners, potentially leading to a steep learning curve. Additionally, while IBKR offers a plethora of tools, its customer service has received mixed reviews, with some clients reporting challenges in obtaining timely assistance. On the other hand, Thinkorswim is lauded for its user-friendly interface combined with powerful analytical tools. The platform provides real-time data, advanced charting capabilities, and a customizable dashboard, making it a favorite among active traders. Furthermore, Thinkorswim offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources, aiding traders in enhancing their skills. Despite these strengths, some users have pointed out that Thinkorswim's fee structure can be higher for certain trades compared to competitors. Additionally, while the platform is robust, it may require a significant time investment to fully utilize its features. In conclusion, both Interactive Brokers and Thinkorswim offer robust platforms catering to different trader needs. IBKR stands out with its vast market access and competitive fees, making it suitable for experienced traders seeking a wide range of investment options. Conversely, Thinkorswim's intuitive design and educational resources make it an excellent choice for traders who value a user-friendly experience coupled with advanced tools. Prospective users should assess their individual trading goals, experience levels, and preferences to determine which platform aligns best with their needs.